Did you know that over 37 million people in the US live in poverty? While the top 1% control more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? Poverty and wealth can feel like two completely different worlds, but the truth is, they're more connected than you think. In this video, we'll explore 10 surprising facts about poverty and wealth that will challenge what you think you know. Stick around until the end for practical tips on how you can start building a more stable financial future, no matter where you're starting from. Poverty affects every part of a person's life, not just their wallet. It impacts mental health, physical well-being, and even access to education. Financial struggles create a ripple effect, making it harder to break free from the cycle of poverty. Here's a surprising truth. Building wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's about how much you keep. Even people with modest incomes can build financial stability by adopting smart habits, like budgeting, saving, and avoiding debt. Saving your first $500 can feel impossible, especially when you're living paycheck to paycheck. But once you build a small emergency fund, it can stop small financial problems, like a car repair, from becoming big crises. It's the first step towards stability. Think most millionaires are born rich? Think again. Over 80% of millionaires are self-made. They built their wealth through consistent saving, investing, and avoiding financial traps, not because they inherited it. Here's the harsh truth. Being poor is expensive. People in poverty often pay more for basic needs, like groceries, housing, and transportation, because they lack access to affordable options. This is known as the poverty premium. Just because someone looks wealthy doesn't mean they are. Many people with flashy lifestyles are drowning in debt, while true wealth is often invisible. It's in savings accounts, investments, and living below your means. While education can open doors, it's not a guaranteed ticket to wealth. Many people with degrees struggle to pay off student loans, while others without formal education build wealth through trades or entrepreneurship. The gap between the wealthy and the poor is growing. The top 1% control more wealth than the bottom 90%. Understanding this gap is the first step toward creating change. One of the biggest differences between poverty and wealth is knowledge. Learning the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing can help anyone take control of their finances. Here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. Small steps, like saving $5 a week, paying off one debt, or learning about credit, can add up over time. It's about progress, not perfection. Okay, let's quickly recap the 10 surprising facts about poverty and wealth we just learned. Ready? Here we go. Poverty impacts mental health, physical well-being, and access to education. It's more than just a lack of money. Smart financial habits like budgeting, saving, and avoiding debt are more important than how much you earn. Saving your first $500 can prevent small problems from becoming big crises. Start small and build from there. Over 80% of millionaires are self-made. They build wealth through saving, investing, and avoiding financial traps. The poverty premium means people in poverty often pay more for basic needs, like housing and groceries. True wealth isn't flashy. It's in savings, investments, and living below your means. Degrees don't always lead to financial success. Trades and entrepreneurship can also build wealth. The top 1% controls more wealth than the bottom 90%. But understanding this gap is the first step toward change. Learning the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing can help break the cycle of poverty. Building wealth starts with small, consistent steps, like saving just $5 a week or paying off one debt at a time. And there you have it. 10 surprising facts about poverty and wealth. Remember, small steps can lead to big changes, and you have the power to build a better financial future. Poverty and wealth might seem like two separate worlds, but they're not as far apart as they seem. By understanding these surprising facts and taking small, consistent steps, you can start building a better financial future, no matter where you're starting from. And to help you take that first step, we're offering a free family budget planner. A simple, powerful tool to help you track your income, manage expenses, and plan for a brighter future. Download it now using the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Together, we can break the cycle of poverty and build a path toward financial freedom.